Hi, this is Organic Roots, and we're in the South Eugene Hills where there's typically a lot of underground springs, and this was the case with this property. They hired us to help with drainage and but in a more natural approach. So what we did is we used the swale and berm practice, and as you can see here, we planted up a bunch of plants, which helps suck in a lot of that water that's coming down. So when we developed the base map and the contour, we saw that the water was actually coming directly down this slope, coming towards the house and then going into the stream over there. So one of the major areas was on this side, and so what we did is we put in two swale and berms in. The rocks is the swale, so that's where the water goes into, and then it harvests into the berm, which is then planted up with, in this case, kinnikinnick and ferns. So the water, anything that doesn't get soaked into the berm, then gets pushed over to the side, and then we have drainage pipe underneath the rocks, which pushes the water along to the side of the house versus puddling right there. There's also another drainage pipe right here for the water that comes down this hill. And then again, this was the other area that was pretty intense, was on the side. So same approach, swale and berm planted up with native plants, ferns, kinnikinnick, and we even have a huckleberry. Another approach was putting the leaves in strategic places, which helps keep the soil from eroding from heavy rains. Here's another swale and berm planted up. We had to plant deer resistant plants and native plants, so they're drought tolerant, and in this area there's a lot of deers. So this water was actually puddling up so bad that it was going into the house. So with all of our work, we try to keep keep it visually appealing and functioning. And this is a perfect example. We kind of turned this into a little stream, so you could actually hear the water flowing down. And then we planted up some more native plants. This spot is surrounded by kinnikinnick also. And then at the bottom of this hill, there's a drainage pipe that pushes the water towards the stream, just in case of extreme rains. And as you come down here, you can tell this stream is moving. It's the rainy season of the year, and here's our proof in the pudding that the drainage pipes are actually working, which this water is now going right into the stream, and we're able to water the plants that we put in and prevent the puddling areas on both sides of the house. So this was a success. So if anyone has any issues with drainage and wants to prevent them in a natural, sustainable way, check out morganicroots.com, and we'll come and set you guys up. Peace.